Good morning, students. Myself, Reena Tripathi, BA third semester, RKG Educational College, Lucknow. Subject English, Class 6. Today we will discuss about save water, save life. Introduction. What is necessary for life? Water is needed for domestic, agriculture, cultural, and industrial purpose. What is the most important constituent of the life support system because it is vital for the maintenance of all forms of life. If we save water, then and only we can save our life. Three-fourths of Earth's surface is covered by water bodies. 97% of this water is present in uh, present in consumption. Freshwater accounts for only about 2.7%. Nearly 70% of this occurs as ice sheet and glaciers. And Antar- Antarctica and other inaccessible places. Only 1% of fresh water is valuable and fit for human use. So it is very important to conserve these precious resources. Water has become a highly necessary part of human beings' existence on earth. Thus, the importance of water can be compared to the importance of air. All living organisms, whether it is human, animals, or plants, everyone is completely depending on fresh and potable water. Thus, essay on save water, save life is an insight into some of the unknown and important benefits of water for human beings. Water is perhaps the second most important substance on earth after the air. Apart from drinking, there are other benefits of water as well. Thus, it includes cooking, washing, cleaning, etc. Water is not a vital part of the human survival. Also, it important for the survival of trees and plants. Additionally, it is the precious element required for the agricultural as well as various industrial sector. Causes of water pollution: sewage and wastewater. Sewage, gar- sewage, garbage, and liquid waste of households, agricultural lands, and factories are discharged into lakes and rivers. These wastes contain harmful chemicals and toxins, which make the water poisonous for aquatic animals and plants. Dumping. Dumping of solid wastes and litters in water bodies causes huge problems. Litters include glass, plastic, aluminium, styrofoam, etc. Different things take different amount of time to degrade in water. They affect aquatic plants and animals. Industrial waste. Industrial waste contains pollutants like uh, asbestos, lead, mercury, and petrochemicals, which are extremely harmful to both people and environment. Industrial waste is discharged into lakes and rivers by using fresh water, making the water con- contaminated. Oil pollution. Seawater gets polluted due to oil spilled from ships and tankers. While traveling, the spilled oil does not dissolve in water and form a thick sludge polluting the water. Oil pollution. Global warming. Due to global warming, there is an increase in water temperature. This increase in temperature results in death of aquatic plants and animals. This also results in bleaching of coral reefs in water. Currently, the biggest problem related to global warming is a huge water depreciation on earth. This is mainly caused due to misuse of water happening at various places in the places. In the current scenario, it is important to understand the formula for the conservation of water and thereby save water, because pure water resources are the primary sources for all our necessities, and when it becomes uh, dep- mm, depreciated, it can lead to huge cat- catastrophic condition for human beings. How water is wasted, how people are being affected. Need to need to save water. Currently, there are many regions in the world that are facing extreme water scarcity due to DS line of groundwater and scanty rainfalls. Also, in some areas, the groundwater is contaminated or it has been overused. Thus, these factors have to lead to drought situation, and in these areas, it has lead to water scarcity. Uh, Furthermore, urbanized, furthermore, urbanization and industrialization have added to the problems where groundwater has been overused to fulfill the increasing demands of the population. According to the WHO report, out of 1 out of people does not have access to safe drinking water. Seeing this, the water crisis in the future does seem in, inevitable. Also, it calls for an immediate action plan in order to conserve water so that precious resources can be saved for today as well for future generations. Prevention of water pollution. Prevent river water to get polluted. Since a large number of external substances are discharged into the water, the river water becomes polluted. This may cause disease to the people using river water. Thus, every effort should be made to prevent the river water to get contaminated. People should not be allowed to throw wastes into the river water. Strict adherence to water laws. Laws of legislation relating to pollution should be strictly followed by followed by all. People should be made aware that adherence to water laws are in their own interest. Routine cleaning, ponds, lakes, and wells meant for human use should be routinely cleaned and treated so that it remains fit for human use. It is an essential step that should not be avoided. A system of regular testing of pond and lake water can be introduced to ensure the safety of the water. Next, treatment of wastage before discharge. Factories are expected to treat its effluent wastage prior to discharge. Toxic material must be treated chemically and converted into harmful materials. If possible, factories should try to recycle the treated water. Public awareness. Common public should be aware about the effect of water pollution. Voluntary organizations should go door to door mm, to educate the people about environmental problems. They should perform street plays for creating awareness about the environment. They should run environmental education centers, centers. Students can impart health education to enable people to prevent water pollution. Some simple measures to save water. Save water initiative. This initiative can help and promote the conservation of water. Also, it can be spread awareness among the people about the importance of water. Additionally, the Save Water campaign helps people realize that the source of fresh and pure water are very limited. So, if it is overused, that there are chance chance that they might not be able to fulfill the increasing demands of the population. Through this campaign, we can create awareness among the people about the benefits and preserving water and using it daily, uh, diligently. Thank you.